Myntri Rangbahduh Barim Jangkari India Dr. Manmohan Singh ulah Khlad no All India Institute of Medical Science mandaga janmi akapor prabaji. Laitu balawan ra Dr. Singh hakani ka hospital ke Port Delhi bagi doktor kila pentip bola Khlad no nakani ka partai. Dr. Singh along Myntri Rangbahduh Jangkari India house name ajar saw wan ulah job yang house name arajar khandai. Tiap yu kemuta ufada jangka Indian Liberalization lani kamtau kepa ubapek lani ubawanra ya kejingkel lah hak economic policy Jangkari India. Walang ru nungilam jangka Singh Kongres berulami kemat cara jasa sabha naga janla Assam. Jadi kelak do kejong la ongkini dalam Kongres kalau kejong du ke bakrau ya ke Singh Kongres kemjuru ya keri India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pergi pat kini dalam Jangkari kilap hak kejing sengulam pat kejing sengup kendit. Halo kejing kelak do jong Dr. Singh.
To you is Dr. Manmohan Singh is in a critical state. He's in the ICU and at present with his family members and others. As the nation continues to pray for his well-being hopefully we will hear from the hospital soon about what the exact condition is. He was taken seriously ill at his residence and shifted to All India Institute this evening. He's been in the ICU as we report. As you're well aware, Dr. Manmohan Singh led this country during a critical phase from 2004 to 2014 as Prime Minister, responsible for bringing in economic liberalization. And at present, I think everybody is praying for his well-being. He's a great Indian. And I think everybody is hoping, that he gets well soon.
Right. In fact, from what we understand at the moment, and these are visuals from outside the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, where many politicians and family members, they are also reaching there amid Dr. Singh's admission in the hospital there. Sunil, who all have